How high can Theta go in 2021? Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, I'll be providing an update to my previous video I made a couple of days ago on the Theta breakout trade that I shared. We'll be looking at some key Theta news, and also, guys, we'll be sharing with you exactly how we're trading Theta in the Rockstar Trading Group with entries and targets. In the YouTube videos, I talk about which coins are breaking out, where I'm looking to buy and sell. If you watch the previous video, I shared exactly the breakout level I was looking for. In the Rockstar Trading Group, I can post when coins are breaking out and how I'm exactly looking to trade it, my stops, my targets, where I'm looking to take profit. And also, guys, at the end of the video, I'll share with you my price targets for Theta. If you've watched my previous videos, you know Theta fundamentally is one of the coins I really like. I love what they're doing in the video and the content delivery markets. Go watch my previous videos. I've analyzed Theta in a lot more detail fundamentally. We've been trading Theta since 80 cent. If you've been part of my channel, make sure you've subscribed. I've been making Theta videos for over 2 years. Again, I talked about Theta, why I like Theta so much. We traded Theta at the 2.0 launch, and then this time, guys, when Theta broke out above this level, it's almost 2x from there, and I didn't expect it to be that pump. I sold on its way up, but this is looking amazing. But I've got some trades running from way back then in the Rockstar Trading Group. I'll share at the end of the video from where some people have bought Theta even cheaper than I have, so we'll look at all of that. But let's get into the video now. So Theta, what did Theta do? I made a video in Theta. I said if Theta is breaking out above this level, I'm long Theta. Watch this video. I shared exactly when I was going long, and in the Rockstar Trading Group I provided exactly. If you are interested, I'll leave the links below for you to check out, and please make sure you have a strategy. People are messaging me now where to buy Theta. Can I buy Theta now? The best place is to buy now. If you bought Theta less than $1 and then it goes to $10, you've 10x your money. But if you buy Theta now and it goes to, let's say, $10, you've made a 50% gain, and not almost a 1000% gain, or 10x if you want to call it that. 1000% gain, and a 10x if you want to call it that. So it's really important to get in at a good price. So don't keep messaging me where to get in. Make sure you have a strategy. There's always coins that are pumping, and don't follow. If Theta pulls back, and I'll share with you exactly how I'm looking to trade Theta going forward, and I think Theta goes a lot higher. But after a breakout, I want to see a trade setup. I don't want to just buy again. Please make sure you have a strategy. There's a special offer for you guys to check us out. But again, please make sure you have your own strategy, whether you follow ours or follow someone else's. So once Theta broke out, we got in here. I took some off just to think of a $5. That was my first profit target. And then, guys, I'm just letting it run now. Now I'll take some more off, and then I'll share with you my price targets now. But what am I looking to get in now? I'd at least look for a 4-hour pullback. If I get a 4-hour pullback, I'll get a nice trend line breakout, something like this. I want to see something like this to buy again. I want to see a bigger pullback. We have seen bigger pullbacks in Theta. The reason why I held Theta for that long is because I like Theta fundamentally. So that's the trade setup I look for to get into Theta. I'll share with you my price targets and how high I think Theta can go. But let's have a couple of look at some news. So Theta, the main news I can find out is Sony joins the Theta network as a validator node. So that's a huge news. Sony is one of the biggest in the industry, and if you look at some of the partnerships that Theta has got, this is absolutely amazing. And like I said, I think Theta is revolutionary, what they're trying to do in the video and content delivery industry, and I really like what Theta is doing. Lots of coins talk about what they are going to do. Well, Theta is actually doing it, and this micro payments platform is amazing what they're trying to do. So this is another big news. Again, watch my previous videos for fundamentals. I want to share one more news on Theta. Let me just find it in the group. So this is the key Theta news that I wanted to share with you guys. So Theta mainnet launch, I believe, is April 21st. So that news, I think Theta can be going up a bit more, because if it's April 21st and some of the updates that it's got coming, I think Theta can have another rally. And share with you some of the recent price targets and some long time frame price targets for Theta. But again, Theta, the project and the team that's behind it, I think fundamentally, if you look at the coin market cap and where Theta is, Theta has more room to grow. If you look at some of the coins that are above Theta, if you look at the market cap of Theta, I think Theta could be heading towards the top 10 level market cap. Theta is at the moment 15, which is really good to see where Theta is. But I think Theta could be heading towards nearer to the top 10 in the very near future, and that's what I want to look at. They were looking at the market cap. If we get to $10, this market cap will take Theta towards around the XLM and Bitcoin Cash market cap, which I think is a realistic target for Theta in the near future. And if we think about the market cap, some of the targets, just without using fundamental analysis, I think this $10 to $12 target is a realistic target for Theta. I think it will probably consolidate. If it carries on going, I'll let it run. I'll take some profits at $10. We've been trading trading Theta from 80 cent. Again, there's all documented in my YouTube videos. Go watch the YouTube videos before. Some people message me saying, they don't know why my subscribers count isn't more. Maybe I need to make more crazier videos, and say emergency, imminent breakout and all that good stuff, which I don't really do. But again, I'm just sharing with you my thoughts. If I can help one or two people making good trades, again, you just make sure you subscribe to the channel, support us. I really want to help people try and stay on the right side of the market if I can. So Theta, like I said, has been quite good, and so this is the price targets I'm aiming for in Theta. So in the near future, I think using the Fibonacci targets, Theta could be heading towards that level of around the $10-12. If we use Fibonacci targets, we used them before previously. This was my first target, $3, and I said $5 zone, the 11.09 is a realistic target. If you look at the same thing, 654 is around the $10 mark, which I think is the near future target. And after consolidation, I think who knows if we get a parabolic move up, $50, we've seen Ethereum go from $20 to $100 and a lot more. Theta, fundamentally, the projects that they're doing, some of the partnerships that they've got, and if the Bitcoin and the bull market continues, I think Theta can head towards that $50 mark this year, and potentially even higher. If you look at Bitcoin's at 50k now, used to be below 20k. People call me crazy for calling $1 Cardano. Look at what Cardano happens. I'm not saying Theta is going to be $100 overnight, but look to take some profit. The way we trade, I'll share with you. I got in Theta a bit later than some people. I got in Theta, as you can see, around 80 cent. This is all documented in the YouTube video. Some people got in at $4 in my group. Some people got at $0.2, which is absolutely crazy. If you study from $0.2, the percentage up in Theta. Let's go to 20 cents. You just move this up slightly, it'd be easier to find. So from around 20 cents, this is almost up 3,000%. This is a crazy gain. And I'm not a hodler like some of the people in my group. The way I look to trade, take half off and let it run. We've seen 80 cent was my first trade. We took a trade above here as well. Watch the YouTube videos. And then this was another trade. And I'll leave, 25% to run. And if Theta gives me another setup around $10, I'll look to buy again. It sounds crazy to buy at these prices, but as long as the trend is up, I'm going to look to buy. So those are some of my targets. And I think these are some realistic targets as well for the near future. I think this $50 if Bitcoin can carry on by end of the year, and then potentially who knows how Theta can keep delivering and what they're doing sees more adoption. We can see a 3-digit Theta price in the near future. Again, I don't want to just say buy all in, go all in now. If Theta starts breaking down below my daily moving averages, below $4 or $5, I will take some profit and wait for another setup. I said the same thing here as well. When Theta broke out to 50 and started breaking down below, I waited, it dumped about 30%, and I jumped back in to get in again. Take profit, make sure, if Theta goes to zero now, I've made my money. Again, please make sure, don't just go all in, have your, I'm not saying that, make sure you have a trade setup. It's difficult to share all of that trading strategy in a 5-10 minute video. So anyways, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video, and again, thank you for all the good messages I've received as well. It really means a lot to me, when people say I've helped make their money. And this is not financial advice. I've been trading for 7 years now. If I can help anyone, help in their trading journey, that really means a lot to me. And again, thank you Theta team for giving us an amazing project, an amazing coin to trade. So thank you very much. To end the video, my question is, what is your thoughts on Theta? Do you think Theta will continue going up? Comment below your price predictions for Theta. Do you think my targets of $10 or $50, $100, what is your target? Comment below your targets and your thoughts on the project. And if you are interested, I'll leave the links below to check out our group. If not, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Go Theta!